Hi, good morning. March 7th, 2019. Boy, it's been crazy month already. It's only 7 days into it. So, anyway, let's see what's going on in the market here. New listings. Okay. Let's get the prices straightened out here. And the days on market. Okay, so lowest priced one today already, $169,990, 1320 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 3 baths with a 2-car garage. Interesting. Sorry, I was doing something else there. Not paying attention to my program here. Alright, bars on the windows. Okay. Let's see. Greenbrier is Sand Hill and Desert Inn. There we go. Okay. Strip is down over here. Fremont Street is right here somewhere, or up a little bit here. I don't know, somewhere over there. Okay, and let's see. Go down. Boy, active market already this morning. Um. 3.750, one story, 8,600 square feet, one story. Wow, it's got to be a big lot. Nice. Very nice. I like that. It is one nice house. Very nice. 8,600 square feet though, man. So is this up in Donald Highlands? Yeah. So what size of a lot is this? 30,000 square feet. It's 3/4 of an acre. Wow. Built in 2009. Very interesting. Okay. Then yesterday, this little $54,000 condo came on the market. No pictures, 480 square feet. Twain in Paradise. Okay. 63. Pretty old. A lot of activity yesterday. Okay, $5 million. 5,000 square feet. Pretty expensive. Oh, that's on the water. Did we look at this one yesterday? I think we did, because it's on Lake Las Vegas. Yeah, we saw this one yesterday. Okay, so that's that. Let's find out what's going on over here as far as under contract. 653. Wow. What is sold in the last couple of days? Okay, 7th. Okay, this one's already been reported. Probably closed yesterday, 105,000. or 1,500 square foot, whatever that is, house. Yeah, looks like it. Oh, it's out of the area, no wonder. Okay. Juniper Hills, 118,000, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, closed yesterday. Well, not too bad for that price. Okay. And let's see, a lot of closings yesterday. $850,000 looks like the most expensive one over on Windjammer. Okay, looks like it's got a few years on it. Nice house though, very nice. Look at that, I like that. Dated but really nice. Nice. Very nice. Nice and clean. Look at that. I like that. Somebody else did too because they bought it. Okay. Over in the Rancho Bel Air. No wonder. Okay. Well, that's that. We're at only 6.5 minutes, so we're doing really good today. Alright, well I'm going to do something a little bit later on today hopefully and show you some breakaway areas here, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.